A useful feature of your Smart Oven Air Fryer XL is Phase Cook, which offers the ability to sequence 2 unique cook functions automatically. With Phase Cook, you can achieve a desired food result with less intervention during the cook. Air fry, then broil for more golden color on top? Bake, then bottom bake for a slightly crispier base? Reheat, then air fry to bring leftovers back to life. There's so many ways to create your perfect cook. To begin, press the Phase Cook button. The Start-Stop button will begin to flash where you will be able to select and program Phase Cook 1. Use the Confirm, Temperature, and Time dials to adjust your desired settings, then press the Start-Stop button to save. The Start-Stop button will continue to flash where you will then be able to program Phase Cook 2 accordingly. Press the Start-Stop button to save, then the oven will begin preheating. If you've made a mistake with your Phase Cook setting, press the Confirm dial to toggle between Phase Cook 1 and 2, or press the Phase Cook button again to cancel the Phase Cook settings. Now all you have to do is sit back and relax while your oven does all the work for you.